Hey guys, Andrew here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Harbor Freight 14-inch, 3.5 horsepower cut-off metal saw. Let's take a look at it. So this is the Chicago Electric 3.5 horsepower 14-inch industrial cut-off saw I got from Harbor Freight. I think I spent like $97 on it, and of course I used a 20% coupon on that. I got it sent in the mail. We got it a couple weeks ago. And now we're going to go ahead and use it. We're going to pull it out of the box, see what it all comes with, and then cut some steel. Got some steel lying right there. We're going to cut some steel, see how it works, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so like I said, I got this saw a couple weeks ago in the mail because I didn't feel like driving the whole way to Hagerstown or Winchester to pick it up, and I didn't really need it like that day or anything, so coming in the mail was just fine. We're going to see what all comes with this thing. So the first thing we pull out is a destruction manual, and then we've got some styrofoam. They actually do a pretty good job of boxing it up here. And then the next thing we got is the actual saw. And you got some tools here for changing the blade and stuff, and then some extra, looks like some extra brushes and stuff in case you need to replace it. So get that in the camera there for you. Got that. And now we got the saw. So anyways, this off to the side. Let's take a look at this thing real quick. So the extension cord, a little clip back here that keeps it down, keeps it going up. Let's see what else it is. Flimsy ass cover there for whenever you're going down, your cut. Pretty basic stuff here. And then naturally your twisty thing here. And then back here it's got a, I'm guessing that's what this is used for. To adjust it, to do your straight cuts, you can go from 0 to 45 degrees on this bad boy. And that's about it. It doesn't come with the saw blade, naturally. Why would they put a saw blade in? Make you buy that separate. And I think it's got a, I don't know how long this cord is. Pretty long, I would say. And the cord's pretty long. It's 4 or 5 feet long. So looks like we're gonna have to go get a blade. So we're gonna have to go get a blade. Once we get a blade, we'll come back and we're gonna cut some metal with it. I just got back from Tractor Supply. I got my 14-inch metal cutting blade in here, an abrasive blade, and everything's good to go. So we got our steel. We're going to be cutting 2 pieces of steel here. We're going to cut this in half. Now this is 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch angle, and it is 1/8 of an inch thick. So we're going to cut this piece in half, and we're going to cut this piece back here you can't see in half. We'll cut both of these and see how this thing cuts. On this saw, I made 2 cuts, so you ain't gonna get a proper review on 2 cuts. So let's look at it this way. Is this the best saw that you can buy? No. Is it the cheapest saw that you can buy? Probably. Is it complete junk? I don't know. But I do know that I'm able to cut the steel I need, and I'm able to use, and it does the job what I need it to do. Now, time will tell if the motor's going to hold up, if everything else is going to hold up. So to sit here and say, yeah, this is a piece of junk, or sit here and say that this is an awesome tool, go buy it, I can't do that. So what I'm going to have to do is just use this saw over the next couple weeks, over the next couple months, and come back and do like a part 2 to this video and let you guys know after continuous use for a while on what it is. Do I expect it to be like the $300 tools? No. Do I expect it to be a $100 tool that lets me cut a few pieces of metal now and then to get projects done I need to do done? Yes, most definitely. So, like I said, this ain't the most expensive tool, and it definitely isn't the best tool that is ever made, naturally. But does it get the job done? So far, so far it does. And time will tell how long it lasts. It might last a month, it might last 5 years. We'll see. So that's it. That is the Harbor Freight 14-inch, 3.5 horsepower? Yeah, 3.5 horsepower, 14-inch abrasive metal cutoff saw, I guess you'd call it. $97 at Harbor Freight. We'll come back in a future video and do a proper review after I've used it for a few months and made plenty of cuts of whether or not the motor's going to hold up, whether or not anything ever heats, anything like that. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget about the merch Amazon links in the description below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Go in this video, make a comment, like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.